everybody! Today we're at Universal Orlando Resorts inside of Universal Studios. We are here because Mardi Gras is almost here. So we've got a special preview of the Tribute Store, but only you.
Yes.
I have not been invited to this one. So I'm going to go and get the new Monster Store. We're going to talk about all the cool themed stores here at Universal. We've got Tribute Store for Mardi Gras. We've got Monster Store, limited time only, just until the Mummy returns. And then over in Islands of Adventure, we've got the All Hallows Eve boutique, but they turned into a Voodoo Store for Mardi Gras. It's going to be a fun day full of lots of merch. Let's go find something cool.
Look at the entrance to this tribute store. Oh, it looks so cool. When you first walk in, the first room you're going to come upon is the concept and idea room. In the first room here, you're going to find stuff like shirts, hats, jackets, fanny packs. If you're a team member, they do have an exclusive team member shirt for you. Here's a couple of concepts that they have going on right now. So right now, these are just concepts and ideas. They're just drawing up things. Here's a couple of concept models. Here's a concept of Space Gator. Looks like they're starting a concept on the float itself. Let's take a look at this. Helmet head area. So whatever's going in there, that's the front. I'm assuming it's going to be Space Gator because we saw him back there. So Space Gator, like he's going to be going up here. Oh, right there. And we have our star piece and our rocket piece. Okay. We also found the concept model for the tribute store, and that's over here right before you walk into the other building, or not building, the other room. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got the float factory, which is what they went with. I kind of like this one. I like this one a lot. I also like this one as well. Alright, so they got their idea picked out, the concepts in play. Now we're moving on to the fabrication and build room. And the first thing you see when you walk in here is a mode for the Gator. It's a Space Gator and the workings. You can hear the sounds in the background. Getting all the pieces cut out for the float. Oh my God, look, it's Math. My worst enemy, but they're just best friend. They brought back the wax figures, and this time it's a gator. A wax gator. I found the work area. So, here are all the gator parts. It will be a Space Gator float. And this is going to be really cool. Oh my gosh. This step by step on how to put it together. So once they got all the designs and pieces cut out, we're now moving on to the next room. But before we move on to the next room, they want us to look back in the past when Mardi Gras was here at Universal Studios. Oh man, look at these portraits. Oh my God, look at all those beads. All those beads. Oh, that's so cool. Pretty freaky. But it's cool. It's cool. I like it. Wait, so I gotta do my research on this one. Alright, and it looks like the portraits go all the way to the very end here, and then we are now moving on to the scenic and paint room. So they got all the cardboard pieces cut out. It's all designed. The stencils there. We are now moving on to the paint. In this room, you'll find crowns. You got shirts. You got hat, necklaces. Got some glasses. Mugs, pins, even lanyards. Look at this up here. Clean jokes only. right, so let's continue with the story. Okay, so now they're putting all the designs on, filling it up. They got the paint ready to go, getting all the coloring put on. They started with the idea. They started putting it into play by cutting out all the designs and pieces and molds. They got the color put on, and now for the final step is to showcase what came together. And the showroom here is Space Gator, all put together. Got the color. It's all sparkly, shiny. Honestly, this is real cool. It's cool seeing step by step on how they came up with the design and what they did in the process to get this all put together. And look, there's the stars. There's the stars that they used in the concept building. So in this last room here, you're gonna have shirts, hats, a couple of mugs, and snacks. You cannot forget the snacks. So over to the right, you'll have the snacks. Oh, let's see what they got. They got the shaker cake margarita, Mardi Gras brownies. Oh, they got chocolate caramel bourbon. Oh, that looks good. I might have to come back and try that with Dee. We got a Mardi Gras mask. Got the shaker cake hurricane. I might have to come back and try the chocolate dip bacon. That looks really good. Got a couple of the macaroons. Mardi Gras cupcake. Oh, I might have to try that chocolate shot. It's a banana foster. Cookie dough balls. We have a Venus of velvet, earthly chocolate, sun rays, orange cream, and Mars strawberry. Down at the bottom, you got the green cake cookie pie, purple planet, blue planet, Mardi Gras apple. So after you make it out of the showroom, you got a couple more. Pictures here on the wall. This is the riverboat rebuild. We have King Gator base modifications, and this is the color that they in the final step. All right, so after you've seen all the cool pictures on the walls, you come to the final area, and you have the bee tree. Yeah, you know, like on a moving walkway, if you look to your right, you'll see that this tree is filled with all these bees. I feel like this is dedicated to that tree. All right. We made it out of the building, and before they send you off with a Mardi Gras farewell. Okay, so one thing I noticed that they did not have in the building was they didn't have the little tribute coins. So they had one, or the medallions. They had one for Halloween, and they also had one for Christmas, but I don't know what I thought. I thought they were going to have some there too. But it's cool. Cool.
It looks like they've been testing the cannons. That, my dear friends, is Mardi Gras confetti. Alright, so right where the mummy used to be, it's being refurbished for a long 6 months. We've got Universal Studios Monster Store. Very Halloween Horror Nights-esque. Very creepy. We got some of the same merch that was here when it was, you know, Sahara Traders gift shop for the mummy. It is so dark in here. Oh, they've got a photo spot here. Get a selfie with the mummy. Hi. Yeah, super creepy. No. Oh, look at these little cuties. Oh my goodness. So not everything in here is scurry. How cute. Phantom of the Opera. I swear, if he moves right now, I'm gonna pee my pants. Oh, there's another good photo spot. Can get you inside of the coffin, being overlooked upon by the creature from the Black Lagoon. Hey, this matches my purse. How much is this? $36. Oh my gosh. I got this one on Amazon for a lot cheaper. Holy crap. A trinket box for $50. Oh, these are cool. Some new candles. Sahara Sunset. Sweet citrus, lemon peel, bergamot. I would like this one. These are $20. Is this a skateboard for $125? It is. Nice board. Okay, what's on the other side? Okay, it's just black. But look at that board. That's awesome. Here's the Frankenstein one. This was $125 also. You can have his and hers matching boards. Another photo op here where it looks like he's gonna pounce on you at any moment. Cute, super cute. Wallet, purse, backpack. Wait. Oh yeah, it's got the friends on the back, and then Frankenstein on the Frankenstein's right on the front. The store just makes me wish it was September already with Halloween Horror Nights right outside the door. Alright, we've made it over to Islands of Adventures for the All Hallows Eve boutique. But right now it's All Hallows Voodoo Boutique. Let's see what they got. Kinda creepy, kinda cool. Kind of pretty. Nice, real nice. Wow, is that a heavy necklace? That looks like it would be really heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty light.
Oh, they're plastic. Look at the ducks. Mardi Gras ducks.
So this is a very stiff bead.
That is very stiff. Oh my. Well, those are cool. Wait, is that a trumpet?
I mean, these are all tangled up, but yes.
I feel like that's not supposed to.
I don't think they're all supposed to be together like that.
No.
There we go. Yeah.
Nice. Real nice.
Saxophone.
Oh, here we go. That's neat. This reminds me of the what was it, an alligator or a crocodile from Princess and the Frog?
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
Let us know down below which one he was, if you remember.
Croc.
Croc? Are you sure?
Croc. I'm going with crocodile.
Okay. Ooh, I just found my new favorite bead. This is like clay. Yeah, that's nice. Somebody took time and made that. So they popped this store up last Halloween, and it was like a tribute store, but on the Islands of Adventure side. And they just kept it. And then at Christmas we had like Krampus, and there's just creepy stuff in here all the time.
Okay, these are some souls.
Oh, they're getting away. Alright, here is Dr. Samedi. Got some good guy merch in here. Got a Chucky wallet. mini bag. These are both Loungefly. And then you can get your own little cute little Chucky doll. I think I want one of these flowy things. It just looks like it would be very fun to prance around and just wave your arms like this, like a butterfly. Don't hit it. I want to know how pirates came to be associated with Mardi Gras. Like, I'm really curious as to the history of that. There's just like a lot of pirates around Mardi Gras and I don't know why. Somebody please educate me in the comments. I would appreciate it. What'd you find? Oh, wow. That's awesome.
And then you got a little cushion on the inside.
Is it? Oh, it's got the cushion. Oh, how much is that? Oh, wait, is that real metal? It's really thin.
It's 32, so the thing's more like aluminum.
Aluminum? Yeah, so it's gonna bend easily, but that's awesome. Super awesome. Ooh, look at those specialty masks down there in the box. Wow, these are packaged really nicely. Those are beautiful. Oh my goodness, how much is this? Oh no, I don't know how much it is, but it's beautiful. Oh, here's the... Okay, these are the candles that we saw over at the Monster Store. This is the one I said I thought I would like. Let me see if I actually do like it. Yep, I love it. Do you like this one?
Yeah, that feels good.
Yeah?
Oh, 45.
45. Oh, you found a price. Yay. Okay, 45. Oh, look at this glow-in-the-dark jewelry. Or black light reactive, I guess. Oh, are those cassette tapes?
Look like it.
What?
Yeah, black light reactive.
How cool are those? Those would be good for EDC.
$10.
$10? Oh, nice. Real nice. That has been your tour around to 3 of the coolest stores they've had here so far. I did not get to go in the Tribute Store, so we'll be back Monday for my experience with the Tribute Store. Also, they were ripping down menus and putting new Mardi Gras menus up. There's a few pictures of the ones that they had already put up, but we'll definitely be back again on Monday just to get some food. We're gonna see the parade. We're gonna do all the Mardi Gras stuff, get lots of beads. So
I'm all for the beads.
Yeah.
Hopefully they got the black beads again. I really like those.
You did, and I like the purple ones, so.
Black and purple.
And then on Tuesday, we're going to be in the parade.
Oh, we are? Oh, that is coming up this week.
Yes.
Or not this week, but next week.
So this starts Saturday. Have fun this weekend. It's going to be super crazy busy. We're going to be at work. And
Yes.
then Monday and Tuesday, we'll be back at it out here at Universal Studios, trying some good food, getting the beads, and throwing the beads.
Maybe enjoy some of those good rides, too.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta get the 2 rides.
Two rides. Two rides.
2.
There's no Mardi Gras themed rides, but
But it's still good to,
Yeah.
you go to the park, get at least that 1 ride.
maybe like a Gringotts and ET.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much for trekking with us, and let us know down below what you're excited about for Mardi Gras, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!